Looking for a reliable replacement postage meter cartridge that won't break the bank or your meter? New Post cartridges are designed to meet USPS standards while keeping your mailing operations smooth and worry-free. With a 1-year warranty and a 100% performance guarantee, these cartridges deliver consistent, high-quality impressions every time. What sets New Post apart is its compatibility with popular meters like Pitney Bowes IJ35, IJ40, IJ45, IJ50, IJ60, and Hassler models WJ60, WJ65, WJ90, WJ95, and WJ110. Each cartridge produces up to 800 read impressions, making it a cost-effective choice for small offices and businesses that rely on daily postage printing. One user's experience sums it up perfectly. After trying several replacement cartridges from other vendors, only New Post worked without clogging the printhead or causing damage. Unlike cheaper alternatives that led to costly repairs within months, New Post cartridges keep your meter running smoothly and protect your investment. Why does this matter? Because a clogged or damaged printhead means downtime and expensive replacements. New Post cartridges offer peace of mind with expert technical support ready to assist if needed. Plus, using these cartridges won't void your meter's original warranty, so you stay fully covered. If you're tired of overpaying for brand name cartridges or risking damage with unreliable knockoffs, New Post is worth a look. It combines affordability with proven durability and compatibility, so you get exactly what you need without compromise. Whether you're managing a busy office or a small business, switching to New Post cartridges means fewer interruptions and more consistent postage printing. That reliability translates into saved time, money, and frustration, benefits any business owner will appreciate. Ready to make the switch? Try New Post replacement postage meter cartridges when you're ready to experience hassle-free mailing. Reliable performance, full warranty protection, and expert support all come together in one smart solution. Don't let expensive cartridges or faulty replacements slow you down. New Post offers the dependable, affordable option your postage meter deserves. Check it out and see the difference for yourself.